Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar asserted that the authority will personally confiscate the weapons if people fail to surrender illegal weapons within a 7-day time frame given by the governor. The statement was made during distribution ceremony of cycles and weaving machines to relief camp residents, which was organized at Imphal East District DC complex today. Speaking on sidelines, Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar said that people who have illegal weapons have time to surrender their weapons, while asserting that the authority will confiscate the weapons if the people fail to surrender. He further expressed concern that possessing illegal weapons by people is risky, while stating that confiscating such weapons is the first step towards restoring normalcy in the state. He maintained that bringing an understanding among both sides and facilitating easy access to national highways is another significant step in bringing normalcy, and also highlighted that the authority has taken up initiatives for safe travel along national highways, such as deploying security along the roads. Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar also appealed the people to support the initiatives taken up by the authority for safe travel on national highways.
Weapon, of course, we can't leave outside in public, private hands. That is a very dangerous situation. So first, we need to get the weapons back to the court, and thereafter, take steps to open up highways as soon as possible. Work going on that. To open the National Highways 02 also. Deployment has been completed almost. A little bit of extra deployment is required. That also will be done very soon. And then the movement is still happening. It's not that movement is not happening. The sooner we do it, the more peacefully we do it. It's a requirement. And weapons from everybody. Looted weapons or any other weapon which is there. Poses a threat to society. 7 days are good enough. If you have a weapon, one day also you can return it. We have given you 7 days.